Meet mold, the fuzzy invader. It loves your home's damp corners, flaunting colors like green, black, or even red. It's not just an eyesore, it's a health nemesis. And then we have mildew, the flat, powdery gatecrasher. It prefers your shower curtains and windowsills, donning a less dramatic white or gray ensemble. Mold doesn't shy away from making itself at home, burrowing into surfaces where moisture reigns. It's the uninvited guest that overstays its welcome. Mildew plays it cool, sticking to the surface. Your damp towels and shower curtains? Prime real estate for this unwelcome roommate. Mold's not just a visual party pooper. It throws your health into chaos, sparking allergies, and even hitting your respiratory system hard. Mildew might seem less daunting, but it's no less a villain. Skin irritation, eye woes? Thank mildew for those unwanted gifts. Thanks so much for joining us today. We've armed you with the know-how to identify, tackle, and prevent mold and mildew in your home. Remember, the key is early detection and regular maintenance. Let's keep our homes mold-free and healthy. Start today, because a little effort goes a long way in protecting your space. If you've picked up some helpful tips, share your thoughts below and join our community. Hit that like button and subscribe for more insights to a naturally clean home. Your support inspires us to create more content